Classification.
Do you know what the word classify means? It means to organize things into groups so that all the things in each group are similar to each other. For example, suppose you have a pile of colored wooden blocks. One way to classify the blocks would be to sort the blocks by color. All the red blocks in one pile and all the yellow blocks in another. Here's another example. One way to classify animals is by what they eat. Some animals eat plants. They're called herbivores. Cattle and sheep are good examples of herbivores. You've probably seen them eating grass in a pasture near you. Other animals eat meat. They are called carnivores. Wildcats, such as lions and leopards, are in this group. They don't eat grass. Instead, they catch and eat other animals. We can be thankful that all the animals in heaven will be herbivores. How about the rocks? Can you think of a way to classify rocks? We can classify rocks by how they are formed. Igneous rocks such as basalt form when melted rocks called lava cools and hardens. Sometimes igneous rocks have many little holes in them where there was gas bubbled in the lava. Sedimentary rocks from when a flood leaves behind mud or sand, which then hardens into rock. Sometimes sedimentary rocks have different layers that are easy to see.
Now, what about people? Did you know that when Jesus comes again, he will classify people, all the people who have ever lived, with just two groups, and Jesus calls them the sheep and the goat. Each person will be in one group or the other based on how they treated those around them. The people in the sheep group, the righteous, were kind and helpful to others, while the people in the goat group were wicked and they did not help those who were in need. Which group do you want to be in? When we are kind to others, it's like being kind to Jesus himself, and that's what we always want to do.
The Bible says, when the Son of Man comes in his glory, he will set the sheep on his right hand, but the goats on the left. Matthew 25:31 and 33.
God classifies people in two groups, selfish and unselfish.